the compliance entity? Is it wage and hour? Is it a state? Is it a federal? What is who's going to come in and audit that or find that? Or is it an employee will report to an entity that comes in and finds you?
Sure. The enforcement mechanism, in other words, who's going to determine whether the employer is violating the law or not violating the law with respect to wage and hour practices? There's really two police mechanisms, if you will. There's one is the Department of Labor, which is a federal agency that oversees wage and hour violations. That's a Department of Labor. So an employee could complain to the Department of Labor. The Department of Labor would then investigate and maybe fine the employer if there's wage and hour violations. So you've got a government police component, if you will. The major driver is plaintiff's attorneys. Plaintiff's attorneys may sue without having to go through the Department of Labor. Plaintiff's attorneys may make a determination that the employer is violating the wage and hour laws and file a lawsuit saying that there's a wage and hour violation. Companies then have to come in and justify their wage and hour practices. And there's no real litmus test to dissuade a plaintiff's attorney from suing and figuring out what's going on. So they can sue, and it might cost the company $50,000, $100,000 to prove that their wage and hour practices are compliant. So you've got plaintiff's attorneys, you got the Department of Labor. Most of the wage and hour violations are vetted through plaintiff's attorneys who want to sue.